So many of us love to travel, to explore, to learn, to relax and revive. As the world reopens, we all have an incredible opportunity to change and reset tourism to be more sustainable. TLC Global looks forward to a new tourism approach using the Harmony Golden Ratio, created with the help of the Harmony Institute to reduce our impact when we travel. It's an approach that values the best things in life, yet is mindful of our footprints. Whether flying or driving, or the places we stay, we can know the true cost of our travel by becoming aware of what we need to put back. When you travel, you can be in harmony with nature and protect local culture and heritage by asking yourself or your destination to measure, reduce, offset your impacts on the climate, biodiversity, the environment, and people. Together, we can be more responsible custodians of our world and give it a bit more TLC.
We know how businesses grapple to find a genuine environmental solution that talks to both stakeholders and customers alike. Travel has developed a financial model. It places a monetary value on what it takes for a business to pivot from a negative to positive impact on people, planet, and prosperity. An internationally verified model, we measure, analyse, and provide a roadmap for business change. We then communicate these initiatives and positive change to your stakeholders and customers. Organisations that deploy greater ESG initiatives and communicate it gain more customers and more profit. 21% to be exact. Music to your stakeholders' ears. Measure, mitigate, communicate, profit. Travel well.